Next, a disability rights group has criticised the UK government after the only planned in-person event in Wales to discuss disability benefit reforms was cancelled. The Department for Work and Pensions said the Cardiff meeting was called off due to a last-minute venue issue, but Disability Wales said this silences those most affected. The group said disabled people across Wales are being left out of vital face-to-face conversations and that an online alternative is no substitute. Ministers say a new Wales-only event will be arranged by the end of June. The proposed changes could affect nearly 190,000 people across the country. A mother has been ordered to repay £50,000 she stole from her daughter's inheritance. Catherine Hill from Altwyn in Neath Port Talbot and her father Gerald Hill from Swansea were found guilty of fraud after taking money left in trust by the girl's grandmother. Swansea Crown Court heard how the funds were spent within 12 months, with Hill claiming she'd posted the money in envelopes. Both were sentenced last year and have now been told to repay the stolen amounts within 3 months or face further prison time. The judge described their actions as greedy and spiteful. Staying with public services, a Senate report has criticised the decision to charge for underground tours at Big Pit National Coal Museum. Entry had been free until April, when an £8 charge was introduced to cope with financial pressures. The committee said charging to access the mine undermines the principle that national collections should be free to all. The Welsh Government says it's committed to free entry at all 7 national museums and is reviewing the report's findings. Amgueddfa for Cymru says the rest of the Big Pit site remains free and the fee is part of a trial until July 2026. Safety improvements have been made at a junction where a mother of 3 was killed in a motorbike crash. 43-year-old Emma Jane Hill from Skelmersdale died on the A534 near Holt after a collision with a car. A coroner issued a prevention of future deaths report, warning visibility at the junction and changing speed limits pose serious risks. Wrexham Council said signage has now been raised and talks are ongoing with Cheshire West and Cheshire Council about lowering the speed limit. Wrexham Council confirmed that minor alterations to the junction are being planned and further safety measures are under review following the concerns raised by the coroner.